Hello and welcome to another gold update. Yeah, gold is consolidating. I can tell you that so far the price is still holding that Fibonacci support zone we discussed in the last few updates. We're holding basically above $2,967, and that is the main level that really needs to hold to keep the overall bullish assumption alive. I'm leaning towards one more high, even though I've said it last time that this move up is technically complete, right? Because for me, the fifth wave in which we're moving is only a three-wave move, A, B, C. And that I can call that complete. So that's why I said last time, look, it could top at any point, but I need a break below 2,967 for a first objective, yeah, piece of evidence, yeah. What is also possible is the white scenario, in which we just get one more high. And in that one, we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a 4, and a 5. But actually, I like my idea of an ABC structure to the upside. What I'm thinking about, though, is to say maybe this was wave 1, this was wave 2, and the third never finished here on the 18th, but actually here on the 20th. So that might work better even. It might have a small impact on the support area, but I wouldn't change it. We'll just leave it where it is for now. It's the 50% retracement of the last rally. That's decent support level. So 2,967. I can tell you that also if we get another high, ideally the next Fibonacci levels are reached. And the next one is at $3,097, the 100% extension. So keep an eye on that. And then when we look at this is definitely too much messiness, chaos, overlapping price action to confirm a low, okay? So this does really look like three waves up. See, while I can say that we have three waves down, which pretty much has done what it needed to do. I mentioned that last time. We labeled it together and I said, look, this looks like a WXY, but I need minimally a decisive break above that green line, but actually better that X wave high to suggest that a low is in. Yeah. So this would be the main signal level, X wave high at $3,047 to indicate that the next move up has started. And this is just too, let's say, too chaotic and too messy to be clearly directly bullish. So for me, I think this is more like something like, watching, waiting, and tracking after the gold chart has followed the projections so nicely into the $3,000 region. I'm not convinced yet that this wave 4 in white has formed a low. So we might go a little lower. 2,988 is next support, and then 2,967. And don't forget that once the next high is in, and the price has completed this could be quite a substantial price top, this larger degree third wave. It might take us to round about 2,700 or 2,500 in the next larger correction. But I just want to give you a good idea of the micro patterns, and you have the relevant levels now on your radar. Just please note that this rally is likely nearly over. That's not a major top, but it's still quite a decent top, which could lead to a long correction. Might even take half a year or so before we push higher once more. Half a year? Why half a year? Because the wave 2, which is the wave degree, the same wave degree, this wave 2 happened between May 23 and October 23, and they often have the same duration, maybe the wave 4 even a bit longer. But gold has performed really well, and this would be a larger correction than all of these that you got a lot of frustrated, a lot of you felt a lot of frustration. I know that, because in these corrections, whenever gold corrects, it can take a long time, but that would be quite a long correction. Yeah. So overall, I just want to let you know about the levels, the latest pattern. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, the ES futures chart, the NASDAQ, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.